Hello, thank you for joining the webinar. I'm Srikanth from BenQ. Today I'll be showing you how to configure broadcasting on BenQ panels. To do broadcasting, you need to have an account in the BenQ portal. Let's see how we can create an account in the BenQ portal. To create an account, you need to log into the serviceportal.benq.com. So once you access that portal, you'll get an option to register a BenQ account. Click on the BenQ account and create an administrator account. Here you need to enter all your required details in here. Enter your details. After you have filled in all the columns, click on submit. Once you have done that, you will receive a verification link in the mail that you enter. Open the mail and click on the verification link. It will ask you to create a password. So once you enter the password, you will be able to log in using those credentials in this portal. Now that you have activated your account, you will be able to log in using those credentials. So after you enter the username and password, now that you have activated the account, you will be able to log in using those credentials. After logging in, you can navigate to the service tab and go to the BenQ Broadcasting portal. Now you have reached the main page for the broadcasting portal. As you can see here, CMS is for digital signage devices, so make sure that you have selected the broadcast tab itself. Now to add a device, currently you can see that there are no devices listed here. You need to add a device and pair it so that you can broadcast messages to that device. As an administrator, it is very easy to add a device to your portal. For that, BenQ has an application called BenQ DMS tool, which is available in both Android Play Store and Apple App Store. So I've already downloaded and installed the application. Now I'm going to open it. So from here, I can click on the plus icon and add a device. So now I will go to the panel and open the DMS client application. It will give me a QR code. So I just need to scan the QR code and name the device. So once I have added the name, I can click on add, and this panel will be paired to my cloud account. As you can see, the device is already online and it is paired to my account. Now you have seen that we have added the device using the DMS solution. DMS is a device management solution by which you can manage the devices. To make the efforts of the administrator easier, we have added cross-binding feature to DMS. So when you add a device to DMS, it will be automatically added in the broadcast portal as well. All you need to do is activate the broadcasting service in the panel. So we'll see how that is done. So you just need to go here, click on the plus and join service. And the device that you added using DMS will be visible there. You select the device, click on next and click on join. So the device will be added and paired to your account. It will take some time for the device to get online depending on your internet and connection speed. So maybe within 2 to 3 minutes it will be online. So we'll wait for it to come online. Since broadcasting is a cloud-based feature, you need to make sure that the panel has internet connection. So once the connectivity is established, the panel will be online as shown here. Now there are two methods by which you can send a message to the panel. One is the scheduled method where you can schedule the date and time of the message. Next one is a real-time or interrupt message whereby you can send a real-time message onto the panel. We will see how we can send a real-time message to the panel. To do that, you need to first select the panel and then navigate to the create interrupt button. Clicking on that will open a pop-up window where you can decide what type of file you want to show on the panel. Now the basic license gives you text, image and video feature. With a premium paid license, you can also send PowerPoint and PDF files to the panel. So first we will see how we can send a text message. Now we can have built-in templates or built-in styles. So I will just select the style from here and enter the built-in template and just click on confirm. As soon as I click on confirm, the message will be pushed to the panel. Now to stop the message from appearing, I need to click on the message and click on confirm. Now the message will disappear from the panel after I click on confirm. The message that you type can be stored as text templates so that these messages can be used in the future as well. Let's broadcast an image to the panel now. So for that, I need to just select the image tab. Now the pop-up will change and I can choose the file from here. So it will ask me to open a window and browse to the file wherever I have saved the file in my PC. So I have saved it in my desktop. I will select the picture from there and click on open. Now the picture will be uploaded to the cloud, and here I can select the time, and once I click on confirm, it will quickly start playing on my panel. Let's see how we can broadcast video to the panel. Okay, for that we have already selected the device and we'll just click on interrupt again. We'll go to the video tab. Now we get two options actually. So we can either choose to send a single video file to the panel, or we can send a YouTube link. So if you already have copied a YouTube link, you can enter that in here, or you can navigate to the video file that you already saved in your PC. So for our purpose, we will just choose the video from our PC itself. So depending on the video file size, it might take some time to upload the video to the portal. Once the uploading has completed and we click on confirm, it will start playing on the panel. Here also we get the option to choose the time. Now you can see that the video has been uploaded. So here you can choose to play the video once, or if you want to play it for a particular time, like maybe for 10 seconds or 20 seconds, you can set the time here as well. Otherwise, the video will play for once and then it will disappear from the display. Now I will click on confirm.
You can see that the video has started playing on the panel.
We will now add a video link from YouTube directly. So for that, I have already opened the YouTube BenQ Zone channel. I will just copy the URL of this video, come back to the same broadcasting portal, choose the option to enter a video link and paste the link in there. So once I have pasted, now this video will continue playing for the entire time of the duration of the video itself. And if you want to make it go away, you just need to click on the screen and it will disappear. But if you don't want people to end the video before its playing time is over, we can choose this option here called important message. So once you turn that on, what will happen? It will play a warning tone and the video will start playing, and it will continue to play for its entire duration, and the message cannot be turned off by the user who is in front of the panel. So I'll just click on confirm. Now the YouTube app will load on the panel and the video will start playing as soon as it has finished.
Xsign Broadcast creates an engaging environment for modern-day classrooms. Xsign Broadcast is designed to meet the demands of modern-day classrooms. It's an audio-visual broadcast system that pushes.
So you can see I have just clicked on the panel and the message has disappeared. Now we have seen the different types of files that you can broadcast to the device using the basic free license. Now the fourth option is a file option which requires a paid premium license. Let's see what is the difference between the paid. Let's see what's the difference between the paid premium license and the free license. So I'm just navigating to the license management page, and in here I can see the license comparison option. Just click on that and it will show you what are the differences between the basic and the premium licensing options. In case if you require a premium license, you can contact your supplier and he will be able to provide you that. Premium license will enable you to push PowerPoint, PDF and Word files using BenQ broadcast feature to BenQ panels. Another feature is that even if the files reside on your Google Drive, you will be able to access those files and broadcast them to the panel. We have seen how we can send real-time messages to the panel using the interrupt feature. Now let's see how we can schedule a message to appear on the panel at a particular date and time. To do that, you just need to click on the device that you want to send the message or schedule the message to and select the calendar option on the top. Now clicking on that will open a calendar view for you. Click anywhere in the calendar and you will get again the same options to upload the type of files, but the difference here is that you can set the time and the date of the message that you want to play on the panel. Here for example, I'll be selecting a text message. Now I'm just editing the message, and here I can choose the date when this message will be displayed on the panel. So I'll just select a particular date and I get to choose even the time when this message will be displayed. For example, I can choose here 10. So morning 10 a.m. this message will start appearing on the panel. So in case again same like the previous real-time messages, if you want to make it an important message, you can turn that option on so that this message will not disappear once the user clicks on it. From here, I can even choose a particular day of the week if I want to select the message to appear on a Sunday or Monday as well. So I'll just click on confirm and the message will start playing at this particular day and time. Considering large number of devices in an organization, you may want to group devices and send different messages to different groups. We have the option to create tags and assign tags to a number of devices, so that by clicking on one tag, you can send a single message to multiple devices at one time. So for that, you need to click on this option here, create tag, and give a name to the tag. In here, you get the option to add the devices to the tag. So directly from here itself, you can add the devices, and these devices that you add here will be added using this new tag that we created. Here you can see that the tag that I created, the broadcasting tab, consists of 3 devices. Now we can, with a single click, send a message to all the 3 devices at once. So we have already selected the tab. We will go to the real-time messaging option, select the text message option here, select a stored message. Now once I click on confirm, all the 3 devices will receive the message at the same time. If you see here, the message has started playing on all the 3 devices at once. Now just like the previous time, you can click on the messages and make them disappear, or it will play out for a particular time and disappear by themselves. So here I'll be clicking on the message and clicking on confirm. So you can see that the messages have disappeared.
Thank you for attending the live demo. I will now hand over to Shekhar for further discussion.